Guys, we've seen so many green days for cryptos recently. Are we headed down now? Because with every peak, we must have a dip. Guys, I'm going to be discussing this with you in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up, guys? I'm Joel, and I am an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you're only at $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And also to be entered into my 10,000 Shiba Inu giveaway, which we're going to be doing at 10,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And if you love cryptocurrencies, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, some huge news. An article came out titled, "Is Dogecoin set to follow Shiba Inu's 400% breakout?" SHIB's 400% rally brings attention back to the dog-themed tokens, and it could be a sign that Doge is on the verge of an equal-sized breakout. And what's so fascinating is that Dogecoin is actually mimicking the same pattern that it was showing just before its massive breakout back in April, when it popped from 14 cents on up to 72 cents within less than a month. Guys, expect for this to happen again. You want to be positioned very well before this happens, so you want to be waiting for my dips when I call them out, when I see that they're steep enough to where we'll only have a short amount of time before we see profits, and be sure to have some cash on the side in order to take advantage of this. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. Because of my relationship with Webull, if you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Which just tells us, when we start to see a dip on the Bitcoin charts and people start to move their money on over to the altcoins, which is inevitable, we're then going to see Dogecoin pump and take advantage of this pattern that it's forming on the charts. Guys, the bridge for Ethereum and Dogecoin is still being worked on by Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, and the Dogecoin founders. This is going to make a huge impact on Dogecoin, only allowing it to be more efficient and more cost-effective in order to transact with. Elon Musk isn't finished with Dogecoin. He's still going to be tweeting out memes and pictures of his brand new dog Floki. He's also committed to flying an actual Dogecoin and landing it on the actual moon here in early 2022. So you want to be ready for this. This is likely to make some huge pumps for Doge, very similar to the SNL event. Because we're currently on a massive bull cycle, because October, November, and December are very bullish months historically every single year, it is likely that on this cycle, at its cycle top, we may very well see Dogecoin hit new all-time highs. When you compare this bull cycle to previous bull cycles, you can see that during Bitcoin dominance, the altcoins didn't pump as much. And guys, that's currently what we're seeing on the charts, a lot of Bitcoin dominance. And, however, as we see historically Bitcoin dominance waning, we then see the rest of the altcoins having a lot more money pumped into them at that time, then seeing those prices go up. Guys, what this tells us historically, as we look at those charts, we can see that yes, Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to pump massively on October and November. However, December and January is definitely going to be altcoin season. When Bitcoin and Ethereum start to pump less at those times, we're then going to see a lot more money, billions of dollars, pour into the altcoins, watching Dogecoin pump, Shiba Inu pump, and a lot of the others that we love so much. Guys, this is just a friendly reminder that it's the perfect time to get in. While these prices are still very low, at these dips when I'm calling them out, when I see that they're steep enough, while we still have a fighting chance before we do get to December and January. Be sure to have patience, Hold with diamond hands until you see your desired profits. Never sell for less than you bought in for, and never have paper hands. Guys, that's exactly what the whales want you to have. They want you to have paper hands and sell out for less than you bought in for, so you can literally hand your money on over to them as the prices go down, and then they buy at very low prices, then waiting for a peak thereafter. Guys, we have such success with the volatility of crypto in their current market on my Patreon, because that volatility allows us to buy at the dips and then sell at the peaks, and that's why you must have patience while I teach you guys to swim with the whales. Another huge article came out titled, Bitcoin Surges While Bitcoin. China has proposed to add cryptocurrency mining to a draft list of industries in which investment is restricted or prohibited. Cryptocurrency prices today were mixed with Bitcoin, trading above the $55,000 mark, the most popular and world's largest cryptocurrency by market cap, while Bitcoin has advanced 15% just in the last 7 days. And guys, this goes along with just what I was saying. As we see Bitcoin pumping massively, we're not seeing the altcoins pump quite so much. Sure, Ether is pumping as well and following up along with Bitcoin. However, as the others don't do so well, it's then giving us this perfect opportunity to buy in. Guys, you want to buy at these dips each and every time I call them out, only put in about 10% of your overall investment in each and every time. That way you're dollar cost averaging and making money on each trade on average in the long run. Because as we take a look at the Bitcoin charts, we do see it continuously going up on a clear uptrend, as you can see. Because of this trading sideways and this volatility, guys, this is very good because, like I said, it allows us to buy in at these dips. As you can see, we had trading sideways here, consolidating. However, we still saw higher highs and higher lows forming. We came up, testing our level of resistance, bounced down again with a small cup and handle, and then popped right back up with a bullish flag and pennant, and then consolidating sideways with an ascending triangle. Right here, we're getting to the end of that. Guys, we'll either ever break up to the upside or the down. If we go down, it'll be the perfect time to buy at the dip. However, I do think we will continue to go up, which only gives us the perfect time to sell when it's time. I will be letting you guys know when it's time to buy and time to sell on a lot of different cryptos, so you want to have some cash on the side to buy the dips when I call them out and then be ready to sell when I'm ready to sell. So if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top hand comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top hand comment. Because I have such a good relationship with Webull, if you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And also to be entered into my 10,000 Shiba Inu giveaway, which we're going to be doing at 10,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And I'll see you guys later.